A credit score is a three-digit number that might not seem that important until you need to make a big purchase or you want to take out a loan. But the reality is that your credit score can have a significant impact on your financial future. If you want to improve your credit score, Dovely is a tool that may be able to help. The app offers a collection of credit repair and credit monitoring services to help you boost your credit score. In this Dovely review, we'll explain how the platform works and cover everything from key features to pricing to help you decide if Dovely is a good fit for your situation. Hey everyone, this is Andy Hill with The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. If you are new to the channel and like what you hear, please hit subscribe so you're ready when our next video comes out. If you decide to use Dovely, it would be great if you consider using our links below, as those links help support this channel. Thank you so much for considering it. And you can also check out those links in our video description as well. Thanks. Okay, what is Dovely? Well, Dovely is an AI-powered credit monitoring and credit repair service that identifies and disputes negative items from your credit bureau report on its members' behalf. According to Dovely, they have a 91% success rate, with the vast majority of Dovely's premium members seeing an average credit score improvement of 56 points in 6 months or less. Dovely was founded in 2018, and as of this recording, the company operates in all 50 states, plus the District of Columbia. So what does Dovely offer? Well, Dovely promises to help you build your credit score. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. AI-powered disputes. Incorrect information on your credit report tends to drag your credit score down. Many people looking to build their credit score often find errors in their reports. It's possible to find and dispute each error on your own, but it's a huge hassle. Dovely's AI-powered system allows you to streamline this process. After you sign up, Dovely will review your credit report for any accounts that are dragging down your score. If you confirm there is an error on the account, you'll have an opportunity to have Dovely dispute it with all 3 credit bureaus. As you continue to use Dovely, the platform will monitor your credit report to catch any future errors that might appear. Then there's their marketplace. Disputing errors on your credit report isn't the only way to improve your credit score. Other credit building tools like secured credit cards and credit builder loans can make a big difference to your credit score. Dovely offers a marketplace that connects you to other worthwhile credit building tools. A few of the partners in Dovely's marketplace include Stellarfi and Credit Strong. Now let's talk about fees here. Dovely offers a free version and a paid version. The free version comes with limited features. It includes a monthly TransUnion credit report and score, and the option to manually dispute issues on your credit report with TransUnion. In contrast, the premium version comes with all of the features Dovely has to offer. The cost is $39.99 per month or $99.99 for the year, which is by far the best value. If you're looking for savings, the annual option is a relatively affordable choice. Dovely never collects any fees until the services associated with such fees have been performed. In the case of the initial monthly payment on Dovely Premium, they collect the funds from the consumer only after the consumer has onboarded and received a full report and score. Because their system is fully automated, they can render these services in a matter of minutes. How does Dovely compare to what's out there? Well, Dovely isn't the only credit repair service on the market, but while most credit repair services tend to be expensive, Dovely is surprisingly affordable, especially if you opt for the annual plan. For example, CreditRepair.com offers credit repair services for $49.95 per month. Sky Blue Credit Repair also offers credit repair services for $99 per month. In contrast, Dovely is a relatively affordable option. How about safety? Well, Dovely uses data encryption to protect all of your personal information. Additionally, the company has the credibility that comes with working with reputable personal financial companies and national banks. How do I open an account, you might be asking, with Dovely? Okay, well, if you are on the fence about Dovely, you can sign up just for the free account to start. You can start the process on the Dovely website using the links below and select the Boost My Credit Score option. Be prepared to provide some basic information about yourself during this process. This includes things like your name, your email address, your physical address, your social security number, your birthday, and your phone number. After you answer some basic security questions, Dovely will finalize your account creation. So in the end, is Dovely worth it? Well, Dovely presents an opportunity to potentially improve your credit score. The high success rate for members improving their credit scores, it's actually pretty enticing. If you're looking for help spotting errors and disputing them with the credit bureaus, then Dovely might be the right choice for your credit building needs. The relatively low price point, especially when choosing the annual payment option, makes this an especially good option to consider. But it's worth pointing out that it's possible to dispute errors on your credit report without assistance for free. If you feel comfortable submitting disputes to the credit bureaus on your own, then you can skip the cost of Dovely's service altogether. If you decide that Dovely isn't the right fit, consider implementing other strategies that might help to improve your credit score over the long term. And if you decide to give Dovely a try, you can sign up for a free account using the links below or by clicking the link in our video description. Those links, again, help support this channel, so thank you so much for considering it. Thanks for hanging out today, everybody. This is Andy from The College Investor. We'll see you in the next video.